happy Pride from me. How we doing? All right, everyone? First of all, thank yous to you lot for coming out today. Do you think it's going to rain? You've got to go home. It's not going to rain. It's going to be a lovely day. We're going to have the rainbows and everything today. All right, but we've got loads going on, not just here, but around. And also, we've got to say a big thank you to some special people, haven't we?
Absolutely do. So I'm Andy, and this is Ophelia, everybody.
Hi.
First of all, to make these events happen, we just want to thank our sponsors, which are Foster with North East, who are supporting Zone today, Stockton Bid, Cleveland Fire Brigade, Tees Valley Combined Authority, Family Action, Stockton-on-Tees Borough Council, Artistic Solution, and Arts Council England.
Lovely. And also thank yous for Ellie, Chris, Wayne, Martin, Dawn, Maz, Mavis, Callum, Ruby and Tricia for being part of the Stockton Pride Planning Group.
Thank you.
So
Thank you.
we have got loads of great things happening all over Stockton today. Here at Wellington Square, we've got some amazing acts for you. We've got storytelling from 11 a.m. till 4 p.m. over at Arc Stockton.
And then we got a quiet Pride, believe it or not. That's happening from 12 o'clock till 4, also at Arc Stockton.
We've got Time to Talk from 2 till 3:30 p.m. at Arc Stockton as well, supported by Phoenix Trans Darlington.
And also, for those that are interested in drag, from 4 o'clock till 6 at the Arc Stockton, we've got Dragged Up in Stockton.
Yeah!
Yes, we have. And just down there, near Superdrug, we've got our Pride Market here in Wellington Square. That started at 11 a.m. and is running till 4 p.m.
And also, if anyone's not happy with what they're wearing, you can swap, because I've just been in and had a look, there's lovely frocks and
So
stuff
you got
in there.
this?
No, I didn't. No, it's like this. I didn't have my size, but some stuff for you.
Oh, I'm sure.
So if you're not happy with what you're wearing, you can pop in there and do a clothes swap, and that's from 11 till 4, supported by United Stockton as well.
Is everybody feeling proud?
Yeah!
Is everybody ready to get going?
But before that, we'll continue. We also have a pop-up parade, everyone. We're doing a parade that starts at 3:30 at Wellington Square. So grab your flags, bring your energy, and join the pop-up parade as we fill the streets with pride.
We have Pride Chalk Art here in Wellington Square from 12:30 till 3:30 p.m. and that's with Amy and Corrie.
And we've got so much happening on this stage. Loads of acts, too many to tell you. But we're going to kick off with our very first one, shall we?
Yes, we shall.
And who have we got, mister?
We have got Systemic.
Yeah!
Systemic stands for Sing Your Song, True Equality Matters, Inclusive
The choir.
They're
Award-winning
inclusion
choir.
and harmony with benchmarks for success. Absolutely free to attend if you want to attend their choir. And even if you don't sing, you can attend. So everybody...
pairs of prosthetic really good quality they take breaths. Because healthcare's a bit, and anybody who can help and do with them, hook me up and I will sort you out. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.